So I've recently come to the realization that the things that stress me out the most are also the things that make me feel the most amazing once they're complete. What's that about? What's up, my good vibe DJ Tribe? DJ Tribe, did I say that right? I don't know. Today's Ask Him a Question is, I almost always feel completely overwhelmed with responsibilities, even if I actually enjoy doing them, like getting ready for a wedding and sitting down with couples to help them choose their playlist. How can I ease into these tasks instead of putting them off to the last possible moment? I've said it before, and I will probably say it a million more times, probably because there are just so many different parts to this puzzle. Number one, break down your tasks. Seriously, if you need to create an entire playlist for a wedding, that could take hours. You could sit there panicking, thinking about, oh my God, like where am I going to start? Or you can break it down into those 15 to 20 different tasks that you need to do so that you can ease into them. Even just something like figuring out what music the couple wants for particular parts of the ceremony. Maybe it's something as simple as write an email, and then the next task, send the email, and then the next task, follow up with a phone call. These are teeny tiny little things that you can do towards the bigger picture, and it's not so big and scary. You may want to consider making a time limit on each one of these things, because you could spend like 3 hours trying to create 15 minutes of a playlist and then still not be happy with it. Or you can just work on that task for a certain amount of time and then let it go. Move on to the next thing. Number two, do the thing, that one thing towards that bigger task that is stressing you out first, every single day. It's the eat your frog idea. If the worst thing you do at the beginning of your day is eat a frog, well, guess what? Everything else seems kind of not such a big deal anymore. Unless you enjoy eating frogs, then maybe that wasn't the greatest example. But you get what I'm getting at. Because here's the thing. If you don't do that thing first thing in the morning, you just have that built up stress going on throughout your day. And then, guess what? You're probably going to procrastinate. You're probably going to try to make yourself feel better by saying, I will do that tomorrow, which is why you keep putting things off to the last minute. Procrastination is our way of feeling better temporarily in the moment because we don't want to deal with that thing. It's how we cope with stress and fear. Force yourself to do it first, and it's gonna make it so much easier to ease into this big task that you're breaking down into little tasks that you can do every single day. I hope you found this Ask Kilma answer helpful. I want to hear from you all. How do you decompress? How do you maybe not allow yourself to get so stressed out about these things? Maybe you're letting go of the outcome. Are you doing these things first? Are you continuing to wait until the last minute? How's that working for you? And guess what? Hey, yeah, I'm that fly by the seat of your pants gal that used to put everything off to the last minute. Guess who had panic attacks every couple weeks? Wonder what that was about. If you have any Ask Kilma questions, make sure you hashtag Ask Kilma on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, or you can email me, or you can at Kilma Music at me at Kilma Music. I think I need another coffee.